The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Brandy.
I don't want to label what we're seeing as a bubble, but I would say that asset valuations generally are elevated. For the stock market, the ratio of price to earnings, which is a measure of valuation, is near the high end of its historical range.
But I called it a bubble. The market is down 1,000 points. It's in a total crash. 1,000 points. And what did I say on January 16th? All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. And we hit the 5% just a moment ago. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Okay, so the market, we got a lot to talk about in a special edition, market crash. I told you this was going to happen. And all the gang members and the folks who follow me, my gang members especially who follow me on the video stock program that I have, which is part of our overall umbrella of programs, where the person's very busy, they don't have time to learn, they don't have time to just pay any attention. I take the stock. It's a video I do during the day. I update it all day long. It's an instruction video on each individual stock. Before this crash happened, the Friday, remember what happened? Going back on Friday. Last week, we had a 666-point drop. But that was Friday. That was the sixth largest single-day stock market drop. But for the week, over 1,000 points. Now, prior to that, I had my gang. We were up in Pisa about 15%, and I got all my gang members out of Pisa, and now Pisa is down about 17% in this crash. UNG, gas, up 22%. It's now down 13% in the crash. So we got out, capturing those gains. Now, not every gang member got 15 or 22%. Let's say they all got 5% or 8%, okay? We'll cut it more than half even, okay? So we're not accused of embellishing around here. We also had gold up 13%, our GDX, and we got out. Now, GDX is down about the same, about 13, 14%, fallen. Nuggets, same thing. So, all of these stocks, okay, we were out. And that's the key to make sure you're out before these crashes happen. We're down 1,300 points. Okay, the market's in a full crash. We are making money on this crash. At the same time, I told my gang, let's set ourselves up in two different groups. SDS, which is shorting the spiders. Okay, the S&P 500. You buy SDS, which is the same thing as shorting the spiders, but you use a lot less money. In other words, if we're going to short the spiders, we would have been paying at that time about $287 a share. But we accomplished the same thing by buying SDS, okay, which is right now about $41 a share. And it's just screaming up. We just are doing terrific. Matter of fact, SDS right now, we are up, JR, what are we up now? About, say, 36 to about 41 bucks. We're up about 37% since I put my gang into SDS when I told them to make sure, okay, they're out of their long positions on these stocks. I got them set up in SDS in the VIX, and right now they're pretty happy. Okay, so how did I know this? How did I know this crash was coming? And more emails say, how'd you know this? Well, because One of the reasons I felt confident there was a correction nearing is because the entire rally, especially the last 30% of they call it the Trump rally, everything was buy into the promise. It was all based on, here's our future spending. We're going to have all these big tax cuts. And they're going to take that money, the savings, and they're going to put it into capital investments. And when you put it in capital investment, that means productivity increases, because productivity is the most important thing in this in growth and economic growth. Without productivity, you don't have good wages. Without wages, you don't spend. Without spending, there's no economic growth. It's always productivity, and our productivity has been down for 5 years straight. We're not that's why we can't get to a 3% GDP. That's why Obama for 8 years could not get to a 3% GDP. That's why Trump, when his guy came out munching and said we're going to go to 4%, Larry Kudlow 4 or 5%, never happened, because the problem is productivity, production is down, and therefore wages are down. So I knew when everybody on CNBC and Fox and the rest of them were all pumping this rally. Remember? Everybody, this rally was on fire.
This market, on fire. I want to start with this really good jobs number.
Earnings have been coming in very strong. The stock market is up as a result. The U.S. economy and the stock market is a reflection of that.
So the economy is moving in the right direction.
And I keep telling you, don't listen to them. The stock market is not the economy. And the economy is not doing well. They're lying to you. Because, again, everything was based on spending. All this big massive spending was going to come in. And infrastructure spending. Then the big corporations were going to take their windfall profits from all the taxes they save and buy machinery and equipment that's called capital investment. They never did that. They're going to repeal Obamacare. By repealing Obamacare, people would have extra money to go out and spend, they said. They never repealed Obamacare. They never did their infrastructure. By the way, infrastructure, as I told you last week, that's a bunch of nonsense. Infrastructure doesn't promote growth, economic growth. Infrastructure doesn't even promote good new jobs. It's all a shifting of jobs. You take people who already have a job and you shift them over to a bridge or whatever you're painting. The other thing is deficit reduction. The deficit was never going to be reduced. Not only the deficit, but our trade deficit was getting bigger and bigger. So I knew all of this stuff that they were telling us was going to be so wonderful. I said, no, it's not going to happen. And then finally, what nobody talks about, nobody. You know the song, It's Looking More Like Christmas? Well, there's a song now that says it looks more like 2008 or 2006. But nobody talked about these jibber jabbers on CNBC, these jibber jabbers on Fox. They never talk about the ATM machine effect. Remember back in 2001, after 9/11, what did our friend Baby Bush say? He said, go shopping.
And I encourage you all to go shopping more.
So what he did, he encouraged all the baby boomers back in 2001 to take out $647 billion out of your homes. Use your home as an ATM machine. Extract that money and go spend, because we need spending, because spending is what grows the economy. I got to get the economy to a 3% GDP. That's what he did. And that's why today we have the biggest retirement crisis in history. But nobody talked about the fact that this whole stock market was phony. This whole stock market was totally dependent on what we call low rates, or what referred to as falling risk-free rates. Zero rates. The whole market was a phony. Unless these rates were near zero, this market couldn't go up. Just like housing. What makes housing go up is wages. Wages. No, what are they doing? They're making housing going up by keep on giving you easy credit. More when we get back. The special edition of the stock market crash is now down over 1,000 points, and we are making money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared, not being in, They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. The stock market has gone up over 270% since 2008. With Trump in the White House, it's even going to go up more because he's going to push it up more. Take advantage. Join the MV2 video stock system. I choose the stock, put it on the video, give you instructions. It works perfectly.
Don't wait. Make it a prosperous new year with Phil Grandy and the Phil's Gang team. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Look, the stock market is up over 230% in the past 8 years. Why aren't you investing? If you're considering investing in the stock market but are not sure where to invest, what sectors, what stocks to buy, or how to get started, then contact philsgang.com today. At philsgang.com, we make investing easy to see what's really happening in the markets. With the Phil's Gang membership, you gain complete access to all of Phil's most powerful investing tools, videos, and resources. Short on time? No problem with the Phil's Gang MV2 video stocks. You follow right along with Phil's investing recommendations and make profits. That's right, just log in, watch the videos, and gain the knowledge that it takes to make real profits in the stock market. Contact Phil's Gang today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or simply go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. back to the Phil's Gang Show. Let's kick off 2018 right and make profits in the stock market. Now, here's Phil.
The best economic growth rate in a decade, better than 3%. Record corporate profits probably going higher still. Look, I've been doing this for a very long time. I don't remember such a powerful stock market rally. Nobody saw this coming.
Really? Nobody saw it coming? I saw it going down. Nobody would believe me except for my gang member. While he was pumping that, and Gary Cohn.
Look at what's going on in the economy. Look at what's going on in growth. Look at what's going on in corporate earnings. The economy is solid.
And I kept saying what? The opposite. All the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. Okay, so we just got 8% a few minutes ago. The market has dropped 2,000 points, 1,000 points last week between Thursday and Friday, I think it was, and today we went down over 1,100 points. The market dropped because of what I said. And I've been saying this for so long, and everybody said, oh, you're negative, you're negative. No, I'm not negative. So I was telling the truth, because I identify the truth. That the market, you can't have a market rallying forever. When you create a fake wealth effect by keeping interest rates so low for so long, and it kills the economy from within. When you keep interest rates so low, what we call falling risk-free rates, so the CEOs of companies can borrow money for almost nothing so they can buy their stocks back to push the stock market up without earnings. And when the companies made $8 trillion in profits in 2017, not one penny of those profits go to Main Street. It goes to the CEOs, it goes to the big boys, the 1 percentile, goes to the big fat shareholders, nothing. And then Varney, he says, it goes to the pension funds.
And look what the Trump stock rally has done for the nation's wealth. It has added $6.3 trillion to the value of American business since the election last November 8th. If you've got a pension plan, many of you are up between a quarter and a third.
And that is another lie. Now, I'm not saying Varney's lying. Varney is like the rest of them. They drink the Kool-Aid. They don't do any research. They read cue cards. Pensions? Are you kidding? I went over the pension last week with you. Pensions are down by 40%. The pension insurance company is supposed to insure your pension if you're in a state, local, county, municipal, and you have a pension fund, and you think you're set. You're not. Because they're down by 40%, and even worse, you are guaranteed. Those pension funds are guaranteed by the government. There's an insurance program, and you take money out of everything you contribute, you take money, and it goes towards an insurance program. But the insurance program is broke. They got something like $88 billion in assets and liabilities. They got like $200 billion in liabilities. They're broke. They can't even help you. It's all lies. So the big thing is that we've had this rally, and that's terrific. Let them rally it. I kept saying to you, the most important thing in joining a gang member is when to get out of a stock. When do you get out? You hear me say that all the time. How many times have you heard me say, join my video stock, join Phil's gang, why don't you do the video stock? That way there, if you're busy, I tell you exactly what to do, when to get in, when to get out, and you can go to bed at night sleeping because you don't wake up in the morning, you don't have to worry about the stock market crash. You're going to be out. And my gang was out. They were out. And not only out, but I have them making money going the opposite way. When this market was crashing last week, the 600 points, the 1,000 points, and today another 1,000 points, my gang was making money because I had not only out of their stocks where they're up either, I won't give it, GDX 13%, Nugget to say 12%. I'm not going to give you these because you're not going to believe me. So I'll say GDX, Nugget, UNG, Pizza, SDS, and UXX, or VIX Index. I'll say they're all up 10%. Because then otherwise you think I'm embellishing when I say 37% or 22%. So the important thing is to get you out in time. That's exactly what I did. But more important, we're making money. We already are. SDS, when the stock market crashed last week, I said, let's start buying SDS. Nobody was talking about the stock market crash. That was before they even had the 600-point move. I said, let's start. Let's now get SDS. And then let's buy the VIX index. Everybody thought I was crazy. The VIX index been at a low for, 6 years, 8 years. The lowest of lows. I said, no, let's buy it. Now it's up 37%. So here's the number. Join the gang. When I tell you to join, 877-600-GANG, and I will do this because of this crash, a special program. I will offer, with my gang membership for 30 days, the MV2 video color-coded chart that you can follow along with me, especially if you're going to do the video stock program where you're very busy and you follow my videos with my instruction on specific stocks. What an opportunity to get in now. This is the time, because when this market has crashed, we're going to be able to get in stocks that are discounted again. But I'll tell you when to get in, I'll tell you when to add, and I'll tell you when to get out. You don't have to worry about that. And here's the proof. I got the proof. We're out all of these. We were out last week and then short. So this expires at 5 o'clock tonight. So again, because of the stock market crash, I'm going to offer to you again $39.95. You get the video, you get the MV2 color-coded chart, which you followed me on. That is a $29.95 value. And you get that free for a month as long as you sign up for the membership. Okay. So, again, another thing that was going on, as I said, nobody's talked about this. I was the only one talking about it. Do you know when Trump had to when Bush had to get the economy going, he needed spending to get the economic GDP to grow to 3%. He needed spending. So he goes to all the baby boomers. He says, start spending. Pull money out of your house. I will bring interest rates down and I'll lower your credit. Anybody can pull money from their house. Use your house as an ATM machine. When I come back, I'm going to tell you exactly what's going on right now. Call 877-600-GANG. And this will expire at 5 o'clock tonight, your free chart. Couldn't join a more perfect time.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
How do you see the world? At Shiner's Hospitals for Children, we know that changing how you see things can turn them into everyday miracles. Like riding my bike, breaking boards, hugging my mom. Every day for over 90 years, Shriners Hospitals for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, call or go online now.
philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Let's kick off 2018 right and make profits in the stock market. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, the special edition, and the stock market's crashing. Again, I'm going to give you the chart, my video, my color-coded video chart, MV2, and it's a $29.95 value. You're going to get that free if you sign up for my gang membership, which is $39.95. For 1 month, try it. And if you're very busy, follow my video stock program where I do all the work. You do nothing. You just listen, just like an instruction video that you have, that how to water a plant. Same thing. And I did that with I got it right here. I did this with GDX, and we got out, and it went up 13% before we got out. Nugget went up about 40% before it got out. UNG up 22% before we got out, and then PISA about 15. So I know you don't believe those numbers, so we'll just cut them in half and say they all went up 10%. And if you see, by me telling them when to get out, they didn't have to worry. They secured those profits. But here's something even better. When I got them out before the market crashed last week 1,000 points, and before it crashed 1,000 points today, not only did I have them out, but I put them back in to the position, so when the market crashed, they're making money. And one of those is SDS, which is up 8%, and another one is the VIX, which is up 37%. So I know you're not going to believe those, so we'll cut those in half. So join my gang. This works. I tell you when to get in, when to get out, when to do everything. And it's all during the day. If you got a mobile device, it's perfect. Okay, I want you to listen to this. Now Varney, after everything was fantastic, listen to what he says. You got to be kidding me. Listen to this. Now the market's crashing around his ears.
Stocks are going down because the economy is doing well.
I can't believe this. I'll play the whole thing. I got to shut off my mic because I'm just going to laugh too hard.
Stocks are going down because the economy is doing well. Even a huge sell-off now would still leave investors with very healthy post-election gains. When your stock goes up dramatically, you book that gain in your head. You are happy. You've made money. But when the stock comes down a little, even just a little, you think, gee, I've lost my money. No, you haven't. You've lost part of your gain.
No, you've lost the money. Nobody likes to think of it that way. You lost part of your gain. You lost money. Isn't this pathetic what they do? Isn't this just pathetic? I mean, it's just unbelievable. And then we had Larry Kudlow last week coming on saying,
we could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
No, you can't, because we don't have productivity. Productivity is so important. Nobody talks about it. And the reason why I said this market was going to crash, and I said this in November while the rally was going, with the Trump rally, I said this is going to crash. And I said we got to be careful here, and we'll pick our position when they get out. And I did, because productivity stinks. See, productivity is so important, because productivity is what makes our economy work. See, when you have companies take profit and plow it back in their companies by buying machinery, that's productivity. Productivity increases. And when they do that and productivity increases, that means wages go up. That means your standard of living goes up. And when wages go up, we grow the economy, because it's wages we need to go up so we can spend. And when you spend, that's when the economy grows. Our economic GDP that you keep hearing how we got to be at 3%, 5%, you don't get there unless you start out first with productivity. Without productivity, you don't get there, but they don't tell you that. So without these corporations taking their money and plowing it back in, and with this big tax cut, they're not going to do that. They don't take their profits. They don't take this money and plow it back in. They only plow their money back in and buy new machinery to increase productivity, which increases wages, which increases spending, which increases the economic growth, is when they see there is demand for their products. But when you have an economy that's a GDP is 2.3%, they're not going to plow it back in. There is no demand. But nobody's being truthful with you. So what do? They keep rigging the market going up by what? By keeping interest rates low, so low that the CEOs can go out and borrow that money and buy their own shares. So guys like Varney and the rest of them and Kudlow can tell you the economy is doing terrific. And that's where they just totally lie to you. Home equity, let's talk about that. The home equity spending is what got Bush going. In 2001, when the crash occurred, he said, I got to get them spending. I'm going to tell them to take out the $647 billion out of their homes. I'm going to drop their interest rates. I'm going to drop the credit so easy anybody can borrow money, so they pull that out of their home. $647 billion. What nobody is talking about today, we have already dragged out with home equity loans about $557 billion. That $557 billion reflects our economic GDP growth of 2.3%. If we pulled out that $557 billion, if we didn't keep interest rates low, so you could go and use your house as an ATM machine, that we could put, if we didn't keep those interest rates low and we put interest rates up where they should be, and you didn't use your house as an ATM machine, you know where our GDP would be? 1.8%. So our economy at 2.3% growth is phony. What's supporting it is $570 billion that you took out of your home, and now you're going to have a problem when you retire, because all you got is a 401k, and you're not going to make money with a 401k. Nobody makes money with a 401k, because today in your 401k, your manager never got you out. You're sitting here now calling your manager saying, what should I do? We're down over 1,000 points. And your manager is saying to you, not worry, don't worry.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. Don't pay attention to your portfolio every day. Have a good, sound plan so you can go on and enjoy life.
Yeah, I'm sure you enjoyed life that you're down 1,000 points today. And you're down 1,000 points last week. You must feel real good. So, again, join my gang. And I'm giving you the offer to 5 o'clock where you get my MV2 color-coded chart, which I use every day. And that's how I got my gang members out of the stocks last week and how they took their profits and I got them in last week. So when the market crashed, they'd be making money as the market was going down. And that's what we're doing. So you can follow me on the video stocks every night when I do the video. I don't care if you're a carpenter, you're an electrician, a person who's so busy, this is so good for you that you don't have to do a thing except follow me. Now, the false sense of security is, people are thinking, wow, housing is exploding. There's no inventory. Well, remember why there's no inventory. Housing prices are supposed to, most of the time, all of the time in normal economies, housing prices go up when wages go up. But we've stopped doing that now. When people don't get wages, good wages, they don't go up because we take their good jobs and we send them overseas. Our owners take your good jobs, send them overseas so they can make more money because they're going to pay you a lot less money. What do? They tell you, hey, we'll lower your credit rating so you can borrow. That's right, we'll lower rates. So take the equity from your home. And so what happens is people forget when they hear housing is doing well. No, it's not. Housing's not doing well because wages are going up. Housing is doing well because they're offering low rates and they're offering easy credit. And that becomes the bubble. And that's why we've had two bubbles crash, and now this is the third that's crashing. Look. This economy, now with this market, we're going to have some great opportunity to go in and buy gold when gold is ready. Right now, gold is going down. Gold is going down, and we're short gold, making money. Join my gang tonight. Get your free color-coded chart and be ready when I tell you to buy gold because it is going to soar.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video. Do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
Every single one of his medical bills, everything is just all taken care of.
We have phenomenal research, outstanding clinical care, and the generosity of public, which allow us to treat patients regardless of what it takes.
At St. Jude, families never receive a bill for treatment, travel, housing, or food, because the only thing a family should worry about is helping their child live.
Because of you.
Gracias a ti. Because of you.
There is St. Jude.
Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And again, remember, the offer stops at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, where you get your free video. And what you have to do is join the gang. Video. Get your free chart, your MV2 color-coded chart. Join the gang for $39.95, and you get the value of the chart for it's $29.95. You get that free for a month. That's the exact chart that I used to get everybody out of Pisa, which is up 15% before the market crashed. I got them in and then out of gas. It was up 22%. Now it's down 13%, but we got ours. We didn't go down 13%. I got everybody out of Nugget. It was up 42%. I got everybody out of GDX, which was up 13%. I got everybody out of the VIX Index, which was up 37%, and everybody out of SDS, which was 8%. So let's take those and cut them all in half so I'm not accused of embellishing. Okay? And how did I know when to get them in and when to get them out before the stock market crash started last week? Because of my color-coded chart, it follows the institutional money. It follows the banks, the insurance companies, the pensions, the hedge funds, the REITs, the investment advisors, the endowments, and the mutual funds. So we follow the money. And I designed this. It's my algorithms because I knew that people were getting frustrated. They were getting out of the stock market. They had it with the market. They had it with losing money. And even in your 401k, you'll never make any money. Because did anybody get you out today? On January 16th, when I said that we're going to get this big pullback, all the weaknesses that are underneath this market that nobody wants to talk about, I believe are going to get at least a 5% pullback between now, and the second week of February. And we got that. Matter of fact, we got 8%. Now it's back a little, backing off. Now we're down about 5-6%. So the point is, the economy only keeps growing because we create a fake wealth effect by keeping interest rates very low. So we can take your job, export it. So when you have a lousy wage, and they come out last week, and CNBC and Fox are all excited that your wage increase went up 0.3%. Are you kidding me? That's 3 cents. You went up. They're all excited. They said, isn't this great? And I said, you know what this is great for? I said to my gang, it's going to start to crash. Because with the 0.3 increase, and with the and with the fact that they're going to raise rates 3 more times. Can you imagine? They're going to raise rates 3 more times. They have this wage increase of 0.3 of 1% or 3 cents. And I said, with the wage growth, with the increase in the GDP that was at 2.3%, which is pathetic, this is going to cause inflation. And because it's going to cause inflation, and this is what's been going on since January 16th, I said this inflation is going to scare everybody, as all this is inflationary. And because it's inflationary, what's going to happen is the yields or interest rates on the 10-year Treasury, which dictates what you're going to pay for a 30-year fixed rate, which dictates the interest rates that we pay, the U.S. government pays on our $20 trillion debt, which is $260 billion in interest. Our interest rates keep going up, and every quarter point rate hike, we go up $50 billion. We have to pay $50 billion more, but our economy doesn't grow by $50 billion. We don't absorb that. But nobody wants to tell the truth. So I said this market's going to collapse. And that's why it's collapsing. All they want to tell you how everything is wonderful. Because, see, their job, Varney and the rest of them, their job is to get you to spend. Because they have advertisers, and without their advertisers, they can't be on the air. So they have to get the car dealers, they have to get all these advertisers, and they want to pump the economy, get you going out there and spend so they can keep getting advertised so they can be on the air. They're not going to tell you the truth. Why would they tell you the truth? Well, what's the upside for them telling you the truth? It's always everything's terrific, everything's wonderful, everything's great.
And look what the Trump stock rally has done for the nation's wealth. It has added $6.3 trillion to the value of American...
But no Main Street person got any of that. 83% of that money went to the 1 percentile. 83%. It doesn't trickle down to Main Street. The only time the economy grows is when companies take their profits, the $6 trillion, and plow it back into their company for new equipment so they can increase productivity. Then you get your wages. Then when you go out and spend, the economy's good. That's not what's going on, because they keep taking your jobs and export them. And know why they love it, the rich? Because remember, it is the rich to own the 1 percentile, our owners, that own the monopolies, the banking, the healthcare, the agriculture, defense, telecommunications, big oil. It is they who own the monopolies, especially the banks. So it's in their best interest to take your job and export it. So if they export your job, their profits increase. You don't get any part of that profit increase, and they want you to stay poor. Because as long as your wages are low, and as long as you're not doing well, that is the catalyst for another bubble. Because as long as your wages are low and you're not doing well, they have the ability to come on and say, well, we're going to keep rates low to help everybody, to help these poor people. Here, they're exporting your job, so that you don't make good wages. So they can say, well, we're going to help them keep interest rates down low. They're not helping you. They're helping themselves, because with those low interest rates, they borrow, they go into the stock market, buy stocks and commodities that you can't afford. You're going from paycheck to paycheck to paycheck, but they get this money near free, and they go and buy commodities, and they buy more stocks, and they're getting more rich. We never had in this country such a difference. Income inequality is just terrible in this country. We're getting to the point it's all rich or you're going to become poor. The middle class is gone. But you got to retire. I can't change that. The one thing I can change in your life right now before 5 o'clock is you call this number, 877-600-GANG. You join the gang, and then start, if you're very busy, start watching my video stock. And I'm going to start with gold again. I got some great opportunities, and I'll tell you when to buy, when to add, when maybe we should take some profits off. Today, in fact, when the market rallied, I said to my gang, don't get greedy. Take some profits. Don't get out completely, but take some profits. Don't get greedy. That's what they always do. Everybody gets greedy. My Lord. the gift that we got since Friday to now, with a 2,000 drop in the market, where we're up over 37% in the VIX. Are you kidding? We're not going to take some profits? What are you, nuts? And now people are jumping in. Now they're all going to jump in. Once the move has happened, that's where you're going to lose money. You don't chase this. So join my gang now. And the next opportunity I will find. And the next opportunity is going to be in banks. And the next opportunity is going to be in metals, especially gold. The next opportunity is also going to be in oil. So I'll tell you exactly when to get in, exactly when to get out, so you can sleep at night. I know a lot of you are behind with your retirement. And when you're going to retire, your advisor's going to tell you, well, you got to get rid of one car. How often you go out to dinner? Well, we go out 3 times a week. Well, no, you only go out once a week. Really? I only go out once a week, and you get rid of my car. Yeah, that's what they do. They tell you how you got to cut everything back. You got to they got to cut everything back. What the hell kind of retirement is that? I thought these planners were supposed to give you a lifestyle you become accustomed to. There is no reason, if you had a good advisor, that you shouldn't be living the same lifestyle that you became accustomed to as you're working. But no, they tell you, you go into their office, and they're telling you, cut this, cut that. Brush your teeth once a week instead of every day so you save on toothpaste. What the hell is this? That's the plan? I have one plan. I can't fix everything for you, but I have one plan. That let's find some good value stocks, and then let's run the hell out of them. And when we should get out, I'm going to say, let's run like hell. And that's what I've been doing. That's what I've done since last week. And that's why we're out. We're making money as the market crashes. And we captured all of our profits. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. And again, the offer for the free chart is with the gang membership. If you have a gang membership, is over at 5 o'clock tonight. So stop listening to all this crap that's going on. We'll see you on the charts.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang Radio Show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video form.